Vinyl windows are affordable, but what happens when they start to warp, leak, and drive up your energy bills just a few years later? Today I'm going to share why Anlin premium vinyl windows might be the perfect balance between cost, performance, and long-term peace of mind, especially here in the Texas heat. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. If you're exploring replacement window options and you're worried about wasting money on something that just doesn't hold up, this video is definitely for you. Today we're going to cover everything you need to know about Anlin windows. From who Anlin is, what makes their windows different from standard vinyl, how they perform in Texas heat, and whether they might be the right choice for your home. Before we dive in though, if you find these kinds of homeowner guides helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It helps more folks like you find the info they need, and it means a lot to us. All right, let's get into it. Anlin is a California-based window company that's been around since the early 90s. They're not a big national brand you'll see everywhere, but out here in the western US, especially in places like Texas, Arizona, and California, they've built a fantastic reputation for energy efficiency and long-term durability. So what makes Anlin stand out compared to regular vinyl windows you'll see at a big box store? First, they use a premium proprietary vinyl called X-True. It's designed not to warp, crack, or fade, even after decades of sun exposure. Second, their glass packages are on another level. Anlin uses cardinal glass, which holds up its energy efficiency way longer than cheaper windows. Some insulated glass units lose efficiency in a year or two. Anlin's can stay strong for 20+ years. And if you want more information on cardinal glass, check out the video linked above where we compare cardinal glass with the window glass you might find at a big box store. Third, they offer noise reduction upgrades, a huge plus if you live near traffic or that neighbor with a barking dog. Here in San Antonio, we deal with crazy heat, intense sun, and high humidity. Anlin windows are specifically tuned for that, with low-E coatings, argon gas fills, and frame insulation to keep your home cooler and your AC from working overtime. Plus, they're backed with a true double lifetime warranty, meaning your windows and even the next owner's windows are covered. That's real peace of mind if you're planning to stay in your home or even thinking about resale value down the road. If you're in the San Antonio area and want to see if Anlin windows are a good fit for your home, schedule a free consultation with us at Southwest Exteriors. Or if you're just starting your research, check out our Learning Center on our website. It's packed with helpful guides to make your window journey easy. Links all down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more expert insights on replacement windows. James Hardy Siding and Home Exteriors. We hope to see you again here on the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.